So lead acid set, see here the lead peroxide PbO2 is going to be the anode, and lead is going to be the cathode, and electrolyte is going to be H2SO. Sulfuric acid is going to be the solution. So by using this combination, you are going to generate lead acid cell, and it is going to be a secondary cell, or I'll say it is a reversible cell. You can reuse it and charge it and use it again and again. So where it is used, emergency lighting system in automobiles for starting, UPS, uninterrupted power supply, railway signaling, electrical substation, and power station. So these areas, lead acid cell is going to be used. So characteristics see here during charging. So it will initially slowly it will charge and then it will be constant. Discharging பாருங்க, it will at peak value ல குறைஞ்சு it will be constant and then it will slowly go to zero. During charging, the voltage increases from 0.8 and it will go till 2.7 volt. When the cell is completely charged, it is 2.7 volt. If the discharge rate is high, means the curve is more dropping. So when the battery is discharging, the voltage will be dropping at a faster rate.